Mercury Engineering has been founded in Ireland in 1972. Our current turnover is close to €500 million, and we are based at the moment on 3 continents: Europe, Asia and Africa. Basically, through ERP we manage our construction jobs, we manage our finance function, procurement, HR, and actually every single part of the business is managed through ERP system, which is delivered through Desktop to our people.
IT is absolutely critical for the operation of our business, right from the very basic operations on a construction site right through to central reporting. Without an efficient and widely deployed IT system, we would not be able to function. Well, we use our back office applications across multiple devices, desktops and laptops being the most common. Recently we've seen the emergence of iPads and other similar notepad devices, and also on handheld devices we use the applications.
So with Zen Desktop, our people can move quickly between sites, can mobilize sites virtually in no time. So when we build places like Aviva Stadium, we don't need to install any local applications because everything is provided through Zen Desktop from our data center. I'm able to deliver applications from the center, manage here centrally to virtually any place around the planet.
Citrix Zen Desktop allows us to rapidly deploy in any region, in any project, and have information flowing almost next day from when we start on the site. That flexibility is a huge advantage and allows us to report immediately on progress on projects. With the deployment of Zen Desktop, we immediately see benefits. We can see a more effective support organisation, we can see a more effective deployment on projects, which leads to efficiencies on the projects, which is a higher margin. We see from the IT department and the central support units that they're able to support a much larger user pool in much more remote regions much more effectively. All of that together makes Zen Desktop a cost-saving tool.
Mercury is spread across 3 continents. People need to mobilize and move to construction sites very quickly, and they need to move between those construction sites. We've contacted our partner IT Force. We've asked them would they be able to help us, and they've come up with proposal to upgrade our Citrix to newest version of Zen Desktop and utilize branch repeaters. We did a pilot. We put it in place for Middle East, and after tests we basically found that end user experience down there is exactly the same as here in Ireland. IT and Zen Desktop provide them access to information which they need, when they need, in whatever place in the world they need it. We've achieved about €500,000 per annum saving by using Zen Desktop.
Personally, home working is very important for me because we operate in regions that are both remote, that operate in different time zones, that have different working weeks. It's very convenient for me to be able to access and communicate with these regions, be it in the evening time or over the weekends. And without Citrix Zen Desktop, that would not be possible.